Did you know that chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water? This amazing property helps keep you feeling full and hydrated. Chia seeds are literally the ultimate superfood. They're packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that can significantly impact your health and body in just 30 days. You can expect to see some amazing changes when you incorporate chia seeds into your daily diet. From improvements in digestion and energy levels to weight loss and glowing skin, chia seeds are the real deal. They're incredibly easy to add to your meals and snacks. One of the most impressive things about chia seeds is their high nutrient density. They contain 19 amino acids, including all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own. This means that chia seeds can provide your body with a much-needed boost of protein and energy. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health and wellness, chia seeds are an excellent choice. They're non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, making them accessible to almost everyone. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies, salads, and yogurt, and even use them as an egg substitute in baked goods. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine can significantly impact your health and well-being. Chia seeds are a must-have superfood, from improving your digestion and energy levels to supporting your heart health and weight loss goals. Chia seeds are also incredibly high in fiber. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 10 grams of fiber. This is amazing news for your digestive system, as fiber helps slow down sugar absorption and keeps you full and satisfied. Plus, fiber can help to lower cholesterol levels and support healthy blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are a superhero when it comes to digestion. They contain a ton of fiber and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, support healthy gut bacteria, and even help alleviate symptoms of IBS and other digestive disorders. Adding chia seeds to your diet can also help with weight management. Because they're so high in fiber and protein, chia seeds can help keep you full and satisfied for longer. This can lead to natural weight loss, as you're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are a miracle for heart health. These essential fatty acids help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and support healthy blood pressure. Plus, they're amazing for brain function and can even help to alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent addition to a vegan or vegetarian diet. Plus, they're much more sustainable and environmentally friendly than traditional sources of omega-3s, like fish oil supplements. In addition to their heart-healthy benefits, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can also help reduce inflammation in the body. This can reduce joint pain and inflammation, improve skin health, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of protein. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 5 grams of protein. This makes them an amazing addition to post-workout smoothies or as a snack to keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. The protein in chia seeds is also particularly beneficial for muscle repair and recovery. Because it's a plant-based source of protein, it's easy for your body to digest and absorb, making it perfect for athletes or anyone who engages in regular physical activity. In addition to their protein content, chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients work together to support healthy digestion, reduce inflammation, and even help alleviate oxidative stress symptoms. Chia seeds are basically a treasure trove of antioxidants. They contain various antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin. These antioxidants work together to combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. Chia seeds are a miracle worker when it comes to skin health. Chia seeds, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, leading to glowing, healthy-looking skin. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for healthy bone development and density, making chia seeds an amazing addition to the diet of anyone looking to support their bone health. In addition to their bone-healthy benefits, calcium and magnesium can help support healthy muscle function and relaxation. This can improve sleep quality, reduce muscle cramps and spasms, and even reduce anxiety and stress levels. Chia seeds can also help to stabilize blood sugar levels. The fiber and protein in chia seeds slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. This makes chia seeds an amazing addition to the diet of anyone with diabetes or prediabetes. When it comes to incorporating chia seeds into your daily meals and snacks, the possibilities are endless. You can add them to your morning smoothie or oatmeal, use them as an egg substitute in baked goods, or even make a delicious chia seed pudding as a healthy dessert. One of the easiest ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet is to make a chia seed gel. Simply mix chia seeds with water and let it sit for a few hours. The gel can then be added to your favorite smoothie or used as an egg substitute in recipes. Another great way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet is to add them to your favorite salads or yogurt. The omega-3 fatty acids and fiber in chia seeds can help to support healthy digestion and reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily meals and snacks can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Chia seeds are a must-have superfood, from improving your digestion and energy levels to supporting your heart health and weight loss goals. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a game changer for your health and well-being. From improving your digestion and energy levels to supporting your heart health and weight loss goals, chia seeds are a must-have superfood. If you want to improve your health and well-being, I highly recommend trying chia seeds. They're easy to incorporate into your daily meals and snacks and can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below about your experiences with chia seeds. Have you tried incorporating them into your diet, and what benefits have you seen? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more health and wellness videos. I post new weekly videos covering nutrition and fitness to mindfulness and self-care.